Today we're making a light and elegant naked strawberries and cream cake. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 200 grams of self-raising flour, 200 grams of softened unsalted butter, 200 grams of caster sugar, 4 medium eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, fresh strawberries, whipping cream, and a little icing sugar. First, cream the butter and sugar together. Mix until light, pale, and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time. Mix well after each addition. Then add the vanilla extract. Now gently fold in the self-raising flour. Mix just until combined. Be careful not to overmix. Divide the batter evenly between cake tins. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Let the cakes cool completely. Whip the cream until soft peaks form. Wash and slice the strawberries. Place one cake layer on a plate. Spread a layer of whipped cream. Add fresh strawberries. Place the second layer on top. Finish with more cream and strawberries. Dust lightly with icing sugar. And your naked strawberries and cream cake is ready. Light, fresh, and perfect for any occasion.